Good morning, students. Welcome back to your maths class. In our previous class, we started the third chapter, which was factors and multiples. From that chapter, we have completed the topic factors. Today, we'll study some more topics from the same chapter. And they are prime numbers, composite numbers, twin primes, prime factorization, and methods to solve them using examples. So, let's start with prime and composite numbers. Prime numbers. The numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, etc. Composite numbers. The numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. Let's understand it with an activity of prime numbers. We can do this activity to find prime numbers between 1 and 100 also. But here we'll be doing it only for prime numbers between 1 to 20. There was a Greek mathematician. He used this method of finding out the prime numbers. For this, let's make a grid and write the numbers from 1 to 20. And we have to cross out 1 as 1 is the unique number. Now we should leave 2 because it's a prime number. And we have to cross all the even numbers, whatever we are seeing here. So the easiest way is to cross out all the even numbers because all those even numbers can be divisible by 2. Now moving forward, leave 3 on it as it is a prime number, but cross out all the multiples of 3 such as 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Moving forward, we have already cut down 4 as it was the multiple of 2. Now we are having 5. 5 is a prime number, we'll leave it, but we'll cross out all the multiples of 5, which are 10, 15 and 20. Again, in the same way, we'll move forward. So here now we are having some numbers which are still left, and therefore the numbers which are left here are the prime numbers. So the prime numbers between 1 and 20 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now let's move forward and try to understand twin prime. Two prime numbers with a composite number in between are called twin primes. For example, 3 and 5. As 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, in between 4 comes, and 4 is a composite number. Therefore, 3 and 5 are twin primes. 5 and 7. 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, but in between 6 comes, which is a composite number. So 5 and 7 are twin primes. In the same way, 11 and 13, 29 and 31, 41 and 43 are the twin primes. Now let's understand the prime factorization. What is prime factorization? So all the composite numbers can be expressed as product of prime factors. Prime factorization means that expressing the numbers in the form of product of prime factors. Prime factorization can be done in two ways. There are two methods. First one, the factor tree method, and the another one which is division method. Let's understand it using some examples. Find the factors of the number 48. First of all, let's write the number 48. Now start with the smallest prime factor. As 2 is the smallest prime factor of 48, so now we need a number by which after multiplying we'll get the product as 48. So 2 multiplied by 24 will give us 48. Moving ahead using the same concept here, we are having now 2 and 12, which after multiplying we'll get 24. Moving ahead again, split 12 in two numbers, 2 and 6, which after multiplying together we'll get the product as 12. Again, 6 can be split into two numbers, which are 2 and 3, which after multiplying together we'll get the product as 6. Now 2 and 3, both of them are the smallest prime numbers, which we cannot split further. Therefore, prime factorization of 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which gives us 48. Another method is division method. Example, find the factors of the number 48. So first of all, let's write 48. Start dividing the given number by the smallest prime number and carry on the division till we reach 1. Therefore, prime factorization of 48 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 48, and it's our answer. Let's see one more example. Find the factors of 75. Let's solve this using the factor tree method. So we have to split 75 in two parts such that one number is the smallest prime number of 75. Therefore, smallest prime number of 75 is 3, and the number by which if I'll multiply 3 and get the product as 75 is 25. So 3 multiplied by 25 will give us 75. Now we have to split 25. Now the smallest prime number of 25 is 5. 5 after multiplying with 5 will give us 25. Now here we cannot split these numbers further. Therefore, the prime factorization of 75 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Using the same number, but we'll solve it with division method. Here again we'll start dividing the given number by the smallest prime number, and we'll carry on the division till we reach 1. Here in the end we got 1, so it means that we have got our factors. Therefore, the prime factorization of 75 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. I hope now you have understood the concept of prime numbers, composite numbers, twin primes, prime factorization and its different methods, which were factor tree method and division method. Now here are some questions which you can solve and improve your skills. Take care. See you in the next video. Thank you.